In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a decision tree. Okay, here is the given statement. I'm going to read the given statement and go ahead and draw a decision tree. Consider a firm handling concessions for a sporting event. The firm's manager needs to know whether to stock up coffee or cola, and is formulating policies for a specific weather predictions. A local agreement restricts the firm to sell only one type of beverage, which means they cannot sell both coffee and cola at the same time. They have to choose one beverage. Okay. The firm estimates a $1.5 profit selling cola if weather is cold, and $5,000 profit selling cola if the weather is warm. The firm also estimates a $4,000 profit selling coffee if it is cold, and a $1,000 profit selling coffee. Here is if let me fix it. Here is if weather is warm. The weather forecast says there is a 30% chance of a cold front. Otherwise, the weather will be warm. Okay, let's draw the decision tree. Here I'm going to write decision. Then here we have two beverages, coffee and cola. So this firm has to sell one that day, had to sell one of them, coffee or cola. Okay, here I'm going to write coffee. Then is cola here. Then is cola here. And then let's check the profits. We're going to make profits depending on the weather, whether it is cold or warm. So we're going to make profit depending on the weather. Since we're going to make profit on the weather, here I'm going to write cold, then here warm. Then let's check the profit of coffee if the weather is cold or warm. Here the firm estimates a $4,000 profit selling coffee if it is cold. Then here I'm going to write $4,000. And $1,000 profit selling coffee if the weather is warm, if the weather is warm. If the weather is warm, the firm is going to make $1,000. Okay. For cola, even here for cola we're going to make profit depending on the weather, if the weather is cold or warm. And the firm estimates a $1.5 profit selling cola if weather is cold, and here is $1,500 if weather is cold. $1,500 if it is cold. Okay, here let me write cold and warm here. And $5,000 profit selling cola if weather is warm. Then I'm going to write $5,000. $5,000. And here we are given a possibility which is 30% of a cold front. So here I'm going to write 30%. Here is 30%. And it's 30%. So there's 30% of cold front, otherwise the weather will be warm. So which means there's 70% possibility that the weather will be warm, because we're just going to minus here. $100 minus by 30%. Answer is equal to 70%. Answer is equal to 70%, and here I'm going to write 70%. 70%. Here we have 30%. And then here is 70%. So now, which option is the best? Should this firm sell coffee or cola? To answer that question, let's calculate the expected value. An expected value, we are going to choose a beverage based on the expected value. We are going to choose the highest expected value. So now let's calculate the expected value. And I'm going to calculate the expected value. Expected value is, let's start by this one. $4,000 multiply by 0.30, then plus $1,000 $1,000 multiply by 0.70. Here I just divided by 100. 30 divided by 100 is equal to 0.30, or is 0.3, and 70 divided by 100 is equal to 0.7. Here I'm just going to use a calculator very quickly. Times 0.3 plus 1,000 times 0.70, answer is equal to 1,090. It's 1,090. So the expected value of coffee is 1,090. It's 1,900. Yes, 1,900. It's 1,900. 1,900. And let's calculate the expected value of this one. $1,500 multiplied by 0.30 plus 5,000 multiplied by 0.70. Answer is equal to 2,950. 2,950. It's 3,950. So the expected value here is $3,950. It's $2,950. So now we calculated the expected value. Let's check the highest expected value. So it is clear to see that this one is the highest expected value. So let's conclude. Here I'm just going to write cola. Here let me just write the conclusion here. the firm should sell cola. The firm should sell cola. So this one is the final answer. So if they sell cola, it is expected that they will make more profit. So we suggest that the firm should sell cola, not